Hello everyone, I'm Em, welcome to TechBlock. Today we're going to be unboxing the Razer Lancehead Wireless mouse. Alright, so here we have the packaging itself, just your typical Razer packaging. They always do a fantastic job packing their products and stuff. We have Razer Lancehead powered by Razer Chroma, which is their RGB software. We have dual gaming grade wired and wireless technology built into the mouse, meaning that you can either use the mouse in wired mode or wireless mode, it's up to you. On the back here we have a gaming grade wireless performance through adaptive frequency technology to allow the mouse to switch between different frequency ranges. So there's no interference with the signal between the mouse and the receiver, which is always good. So there'll be no lag when you use your mouse and stuff, as it's very unlikely that anything will interfere with it. We also have the world's most precise laser sensor right here, 16,000 dpi, 210 IPS, 50G, and this mouse is also powered by Razer Synapse 3, which is currently still in beta as of the time of me recording this. It has hybrid onboard and cloud memory support as well, thanks to Razer Synapse 3, which is their new software that they're currently working on, which I'm using at the moment. So I have my mouse mat here and my keyboard. I've currently just got it set to Spectrum Cycling at the moment. So yeah, there's their new software. We'll look into that a little bit later on. For now though, we're going to be unboxing the mouse, of course. So I have my lovely knife here. I'm gonna remove the tape, and I believe this is how, I think this is how I'm meant to unbox it. Just lift this up. There you go. There we go. Welcome to the cult of Razer. Very nice. Oh, that fell off. We have some Razer stickers in here as well that I can, there has to be Razer stickers in here. So we have, welcome to the cult of Razer. We have Razer Lancehead, which is, I guess, there are the Razer stickers that you get. You have a maximize your Razer Advantage, Razer Synapse 3, just some stuff about the mouse really. We have quick starter guide for the mouse as well. Download, install, enjoy Razer Synapse 3. Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description to that, and the mouse as well. So you guys can buy the mouse yourself if you want to, and download Synapse 3, which is fantastic. A big improvement over Synapse 2 in my opinion. Congratulations, there is a profile indicator, profile button, the sensor, and then some stuff here as well, hybrid storage, that's all nice. And then we have a lovely letter from the Razer CEO, Min Liang Tang, thank you very much. So, let's unbox the mouse itself. So, we have a stealthy little Razer logo on this packaging here. If we lift this up, oh wow, okay. We have the mouse right here. Oh my god, it is nice. I really like it so far. It looks very nice, as you guys can see. Let me just focus the camera on the mouse. There you go. Wow, very fancy, very fancy. It's not really the color is like dark gray. Ooh. This is going to take some getting used to. It is an ambidextrous mouse, I believe, meaning that it's designed for both left-handed and right-handed people. So there are buttons on this side, right here. There are two side buttons on this side and two more side buttons on the other side as well. And there's a very subtle RGB lighting as well. Let's just remove this protective film, I guess. What else do we have in the package, I wonder? So if we lift this part up, we have the receiver itself, of course. Alright, fantastic. Ooh. I'm dropping a lot of things. Alright, let's move the box out of the way for now. We have I really don't even know what this is, but we have some sort of receiver, I guess. It says Razer on the front here. It says Razer. There's a USB port, and yes, that's how you connect it. Okay, cool. We have the cable itself, very important. Damn, they have really nailed this packaging. I'll give them that. This is very fancy. I mean, you wouldn't expect anything less from a £130 mouse or £140 mouse. So it's a very high-end mouse from Razer. Alright, let's just take this cable out of its packaging. There we go. Oh, and there's a little receiver in here as well. A little 2.4 gigahertz receiver right here. There's a model number on here as well. Cool. Right, well, we have a lovely braided cable, of course, as you do get a braided cable with pretty much any Razer product that you buy. Yeah, very nice cable, as always. Fantastic stuff from Razer. Right, I'm gonna have to cable manage this. I don't really know. Do I just plug in the receiver, or do I plug the receiver into this? I really do not know. I'm a little bit confused to the point of, this is the receiver, I guess, but what are you? So, alright, let's plug in the mouse for the first time. I'll plug it into a USB 3.0 port on my PC. And, oh, okay. I guess, okay, I'm just going to try to do this. I'm going to plug the, I guess, micro USB cable into this, some sort of adapter type thing. And then I'm going to plug the 2.4 gigahertz receiver into here. Okay, we're setting up a USB dongle for Razer Lancehead. There we go, we have Razer Synapse right here, ready to update. Let's press update. So it is going to install all the drivers for Razer Lancehead. Alright, fantastic stuff. So while Razer Synapse is updating itself, somehow managed to zoom in by accident on my camera. There we go, Razer is updating. The mouse is still not on. I should probably turn it on for the first time. But yeah, the design of it I really like. It's a very lightweight mouse compared to my Razer Mamba. This is much lighter actually. I wasn't expecting that at all. The weight distribution, yeah, I guess it's pretty good. I mean, the mouse is really light actually. That's quite surprising to me actually. The Razer Mamba was quite a heavy mouse, and it was very heavy on the back of it. So yeah, okay. Razer Synapse is up to date now, as you guys can see. Let's turn the mouse on. There's another button here, which I think was the profile switch. Anyway, let's turn the mouse on. Can you guys see anything? There you go. I'm gonna just point the camera down for now, so you guys can take a look at all the RGB lighting and stuff. Yeah. Oh, it does work. It does work. There's DPI adjustment. Can we... Ooh. As you guys can see, when I click this, we switched from 800 DPI to 1800, then to 4500, 9000, and 16000. Oh no, let's go back to 800. 800's nice. All right, cool. So we have Razer Synapse. Can we? Right. What is this? I do not want to update Razer Synapse 2. No. No, thank you. Can I go over to Razer Central? I want to launch Synapse, please. Launch Synapse so I can configure all the RGB lighting and stuff. So if you go over to Chroma, that should open up the Chroma tab, and the mouse should be. Oh, can I move the mouse? Can I? Wait. If I select the Move tool, can I move? There we go. I can move the mouse on top of the mouse mat in the Synapse tool. The lighting just turned off for whatever reason. Right, what do we have here? Is it all synced up? It's just orange. What does that mean? Can we go over to Wave? Try Wave. So, the mouse lighting is completely turned off now. Lovely. There we go, it's back on. Woo! I'll give you guys a closer look at the RGB lighting and stuff. The Razer logo lights up as well now. That's something different in comparison to the Razer Mamba. The Razer logo lights up on the wired and wireless version. Yeah, and then there's a very nice strip of LED lights here, and then some LED lights on the scroll wheel as well. So far the mouse is pretty good, very lightweight. I'm liking it so far. There's 2 more buttons that I can use now. I'll make a full review in the near future as well. This has just kind of been my first impressions and unboxing of the Razer Lancehead mouse. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.